Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Telegram. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.